A ray of hope has emerged in the race to treat cancer. India has made a breakthrough that will change our lives. The New Delhi has launched its first gene therapy for cancer, which will make the treatment more affordable and less painful for the patients. The Indian President Droupadi Murmu launched the country's first homegrown anti-cancer CAR cell therapy called NextCAR19, placing India on the global map of cell and gene therapy. The Murmu said that the development of this therapy is an example of Make in India initiative and speaks volumes about the Indian scientists and physicians. But before explaining as to how the therapy is administered to the patient, let's in fact tell you as to what T cells actually are. Now, T cells are actually a type of white blood cells that are called lymphocytes. They play a central role in the adaptive immune response. T cells help the immune system fight germs and protect the human body from disease. And according to researchers, the CAR T cell therapy technology will ensure that those who undergo cancer treatment do not have to endure much pain like in chemotherapy.
Phase 1 and Phase 2 trials, we had 64 patients who were enrolled on this therapy. For this therapy, 57 of them received, and so that was the cohort on the research project. Now, since the time the approval has come, which came just recently in October 23, and then after the various other things were put in place, we just started treating patients from December 23. From then till now, we've had about 25 patients enrolled. Roughly about 15 patients have been infused already. Some of them are waiting for their infusion. So yeah, that is the status as of date. Yeah.
So far, only America and some European nations have had this technology, which means that it is very expensive for patients. A treatment abroad costs as much as about $40 million. In the NextCAR19, the CAR T cell therapy launched by India is very affordable.
It is a personalized medicine. And it's called personalized and precise medicine. That means for every patient, we have to make a custom-made, a tailored product. Unlike off-the-shelf like chemotherapy or other therapy you see, you can go to the market and buy them.
In India, there are more than 10 hospitals that have already started doing the CAR T cell therapy on the cancer patients. And here we are in Tata Memorial Center, which was the first such hospital to do so. And like other hospitals, they have also here have a dedicated ward specifically for the cancer patients to get this advanced treatment. Here, this is a specific ward dedicated for the CAR T cell therapy, and like the doctors are saying that they are getting a lot of interest, they are getting a lot of increase in demand for such advanced treatment. Specifically, they have 2 rooms as well, which is isolation 2 and isolation room number 1, and as we speak there are already 2 patients who are undergoing the CAR T cell therapy process. Nationally, more than 100 such patients have been treated successfully, and if you talk about Tata Memorial Center alone, since they have started their trials, more than 75 patients have been successfully treated with CAR T cell therapy.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.